Alright everyone, so it is official. We just crossed over 15%. So let me show y'all right here. See that 15%, and we're gonna throw it on the charger now and see how long it takes to charge up from 15%. Here we go. Boom, and it's on the charger, and the time is 9:17. Wow. And I gotta tell y'all, this second charge was great. We got well over 2 days on this second charge. And I gotta say, with regular usage, without having to turn certain, useful features off, we are getting some really good battery life here. But I'm gonna throw up the charge times in post. So y'all saw the start time. I'm gonna throw up the end time and how long it takes to fully charge in post. I hope y'all enjoyed this real quick video, and I will catch you guys and gals on the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.